The TY Reveal project, which took place during the first quarter of 2026, involved 19 participants from 3 provinces across Ireland who were going through the transition year programme. The title of the project is Illustration Bringing Books to Life, and focused in particular on our prints and drawings holdings here in the National Library of Ireland, but also on a wide range of book illustration through our rare antiquarian book collection.
So the goals of TY Reveal were to invite young people into the library, provide them with access to the different areas within the library, the different reading rooms, the different collections. We wanted to introduce them to different modes of image making, different ways of illustrating, give them the opportunity to hear directly from living illustrators who are part of the library collection.
We did such a variety of things. We did book cover illustrations, we did bag printing, we did pop-up art, we did so many different things. Like every day we came in here there was something different, which made it more interesting.
The collection is so big and there is so much to see and so much like different topics and aspects of everything, and it's really wonderful in my opinion.
Each student chose their own area of interest, area to research for their own projects. The outcomes spanned a range of materials and formats. We had some people making magazines, some people made digital presentations, many people had posters, little booklets, and this experimentation with text, writing and different types of imagery.
It was also crucially important that students were able to bring outside interests that they had and were able to pursue them through our collections. Interests in Irish history relating to periods like Easter 1916. We also see a huge interest amongst the students in Irish folklore and mythology. So all of the different, I suppose, scope of subject matters in arts and sciences have been reflected in the student projects.
We saw on the final day this range of projects being presented, and so for me that's a measure of the success of a programme. The majority of students had engaged in this deep way to produce something that is about their creativity.
I really enjoyed drawing out the different things in art. Like sometimes you don't get enough time to do that kind of creative side of things in school, so I feel like it was just good to, you know, do something different, I suppose, to all the academic sort of stuff, and like I really enjoyed it.
Success in a program like this, it has been seeing the development of the students over time, their ability to take the initiative and taking the reins of their own research directions, but then being able to take advantage of their time in the National Library buildings to diversify, to explore everything that the collections have to offer.
I think some nice new friendships and bonds were formed here. Just over the weeks, people started to open up. Even through their work, you can see their confidence growing.
I found that it's helped me with my communication. There's been a lot of interacting with very interesting people that I wouldn't meet if I didn't do this program. It's helped me become more open to different views. I'm better at talking to people that I don't know now.
I definitely made some very good friends here because there was a lot of like-minded people going into this program. So it was nice to go into a space with people my own age who had the same kind of mindset as me, that weren't against like reading or stuff like that. This is what they did as a pastime, the same as me. So it was nice to meet people who enjoyed the same things.
In my opinion, I just think it's really important for young adults and for people in our ages, just not looking up online or scrolling on Instagram. We can just come to the library, enjoy, just have some free time there, and really important for us.
We're really delighted with the success of TY Reveal 2026, and we hope to invite more students over the coming years into the library to inspire their explorations and their knowledge gathering and their creative pursuits.
The TY Reveal programme is just one example of many whereby the National Library of Ireland has the remit to engage and encourage creativity, inspiration, enjoyment and leisure from young people across the island and indeed internationally in terms of access to the collections on the recorded memory of Ireland.